red kidney beans, Rotel Original, chili beans, red onion diced. We're gonna come in with our spoon and just give this a small little mix all in our crock pot. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious crock pot meal. Once we feel like that is nice and mixed, we're gonna come in with 1.5 pounds of our chicken breasts. We're gonna go ahead and put those right on top of our beans and our onions and our rotel. Beautiful. Now we're gonna season this up super quick. I have some salt and we're just gonna do a light little sprinkle of our salt in there. And then of course I have some pepper and we're gonna do the same we did with the salt, but with our pepper. But you can use whatever seasonings you like. This is just what I like. And if you are worried about the sodium, you can skip the salt all together. Beautiful. And then of course, we're gonna do some garlic powder, but you could also do fresh garlic if that's what you like. And we're gonna add a generous amount of the garlic powder because that is my favorite seasoning. Beautiful. Last but certainly not least, we're gonna add some smoked paprika onto this. And this is gonna be so good, you guys. Absolutely love making this on a cold winter day like today. Now to kick up the heat, we have our Frank's buffalo sauce, and I couldn't find my half cup, so I'm gonna do half of my 1 cup, but we're doing half a cup of our buffalo sauce. I think that looks like half a cup, and we're drizzling that right on top. Now this is optional. If you don't like this much heat, you can skip it, but I love buffalo sauce. Last but certainly not least, I have my chicken broth. You can use chicken stock or whatever you want. And I'm keeping my measuring cup because we're gonna do 3 cups of chicken broth, and we kind of helps clean up our buffalo sauce to make sure we get all of that in there. 1. 2. Last 1. That buffalo sauce smells intense. 3. All right, beautiful. This is gonna be ready to start cooking. Now you can cook this on high for 3 to 4 hours, or you can cook it on low for 6 to 8, but we're gonna do high. All right, it's been 3 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off and let's check it out. Oh my, it smells so good. Now, in order to get this chili nice and ready, we're gonna pull out our beautifully cooked chicken, put that on our plate right here. Move this to the side. I have my 2 forks so that we can go ahead and shred our chicken super quick. All right, we got that all shredded out super quickly. We're gonna go ahead and put this back into our crock pot so we can give it a nice little mix. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to give this a try. Get all that goodness out. Yum, yum, yum. This is gonna be so good. All right, and before we give this a final mix, I'm gonna add some heavy whipping cream. This is optional. I just want this to be a little bit creamy. So I'm just gonna do a light drizzle, probably about like 1/4 a cup. And once that's in there, we're gonna grab our ladle and it is time to mix that all together. Our buffalo chicken chili. Yep, you heard that right. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, I think that looks like the beautiful color texture. So let's give this a try. All right, time to serve this up. So excited. And this is great for meal prep. You can save it in the freezer. It is very versatile. And then I'm actually gonna top mine with some cheese. You guys didn't really think I was gonna do a recipe without cheese now, did you? Beautiful. Let's give it a try. Oh, wow. That is so flavorful.